Well, it was a little chilly if you were heading out the door this morning. Can we expect the same for tomorrow?
A little cooler, actually. A
Okay.
couple degrees,
Wow.
but not too bad, though. I mean, I think we can handle it.
Yeah.
It's not below zero. We have no wind chill yet. Looks like things are going to be okay. It looks like a little bit below the average low into the upper 50s to right around 60 degrees. Another great shot. Van Wezel webcam showing a little wave action, though, out on the bay. The waves starting to come down a little bit as the winds are lessening just a little bit. They'll still be up to 2 to 3 feet tomorrow, so boaters beware. No small craft advisory in effect for our coastal waters. Look at this shot. This is a great shot from Raymond from Lido. Looks like the Joshua Tree cover from U2 long ago. A nice shot right there. And South Venice Jetty. Susanna getting this one as the sun was going below the horizon. No clouds around for the sunsets recently. Clear skies right now, 64 degrees. And the relative humidity fairly low, but for this time of night, 60 degrees on the dew point. Winds are out of the northeast at 9. The pressure 30.01 inches. That is high, and it has been rising throughout this evening. High pressure still the dominating weather feature for us. The high was right at the average of 79 degrees. The low this morning was 58, a couple degrees below the normal, which is 60 degrees. We'll be close to this number, maybe a degree or two cooler. It will feel cool, too, as a result of the northeast wind. But the record low, 37, set back in 1969. So it can get cold this time of year. The rainfall, no rain to report for the month, though. So far, we've had just 0.04 of an inch of rain, and we're about an inch below average so far. Now, the low temperatures will drop down again into the upper 50s to right around 60 degrees near the coast. 64 in Sarasota currently. It's 47 in Tallahassee, 52 degrees in Jacksonville, much warmer in the Keys and in Miami. And the Gulf water temperature now down to 73. Mid-60s across the entire viewing area from Avon Park all the way to Inglewood and up to Cortez. Anywhere from between 65 and 67 degrees at this point. Well, the overnight low temperatures will drop down, as I said, into the upper 50s to mid-50s, and then highs tomorrow will be a couple degrees just below average for this time of year. 80 degrees in Naples, oh, still nice, beautiful weather. Fort Myers at 79, and then again a kind of a cool start to the morning on Friday with just a degree or two warmer on Friday. Another cold front, though, is due to arrive over the weekend. Looks like the timing of this next front will be mid to late day on Sunday, and with that in mind, we will see cooler temperatures moving in on Sunday night and Monday morning. Well, Futurecast showing this little weak disturbance kind of heading off to our south and east. Maybe an increase in some cloudiness tomorrow, but not much. It's still a gorgeous day. And Friday, look for more of the same with beautiful weather in the forecast and temperatures staying close to around 80 degrees for high on Friday and Saturday. Nationally, a storm moving through the looks like Ohio Valley, causing some showers there and some snow showers earlier in Michigan. For us, the rain now along the east coast of Florida and down the south in the Florida Straits. Not much going on here. There's that frontal boundary. It's rather weak right now. This is not the cold front that's going to move through and cool us down. It's the one behind it that will. Some rain now mainly across parts of Michigan and northern Ohio right now, kind of spinning around that area of low pressure out west. The big story is the heavy rain moving into northern California and Washington, Oregon. Temperatures 18 in Minot. This is where that cold Arctic air is right now. 35 in Chicago. It's 50 in Washington, Boston at 39. And you'll notice on this GFS model, it shows the cold air really staying mainly to the east, but it does drop down a little bit further on Monday. You start to see some of those blues invade the southeast United States, and that means that we'll get a little bit cooler on Monday and Tuesday, and then again we'll start to warm up right before the Thanksgiving Day. Not much going on in the tropics. All is quiet there and should stay that way over the next several days. North winds will be for boaters at 10 to 15 knots. Of a moderate chop on the bays and inland waters. The water temperature has cooled down to 73 degrees, and we're looking for a high of 77 at the area beaches. Tides upcoming for Sarasota Bay look like this. The next low tide will be at 5:55 and a high tide at 11:49 tomorrow morning, and sunrise at 6:52. Partly cloudy, a little cooler, especially inland areas, and then for tomorrow, look for some sunshine mixed with some clouds. It will be very dry. We're not expecting any rainfall. And in fact, that front that moves through on Sunday only brings a 20% chance for a shower or two. And then you'll notice the highs on Monday in the low 70s. A little bit of a cool start to the work week next week.